Hi, welcome back to Kyle's Family Review. Today we have the all-new Toyota Sienta. There are 7 colour options to choose from. There's the red metallic, quartz brown metallic, orange metallic, the super white, silver metallic, grey metallic and attitude black. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and the notification bell for further videos. 16-inch, two-tone alloy wheels. Projector halogen headlights with manual levelling. You have halogen fog lamps. You have a stylish black and chrome front bumper. A two-tone wing mirror with indication light. Short black antenna. LED rear combination lights. Striking design at the back with rear reverse sensors. Your second row passengers have all the comfort with ease of access with the sliding doors. As you can see, the middle row passenger seats move back and forward. You get about 3 inches of movement. 4 large air vents and your AC controls for the back row passengers. Entrance for the third row seating is made simple and easy by folding the central passenger seats forward. Get a cup holder in the back for each back row passenger, along with a small storage bay. As you can see, if you do not move the middle row forward, you will get virtually no legroom for the third row passengers. As you would expect, the electric windows, the mirrors and the door locking mechanism is handy at the driver's door. You also get a fairly substantial door compartment along with a place to hold your bottles of water. You get a push fob key for opening and closing the car. There's a dual layer 3-dimensional dashboard panel design. Your handy push start stop ignition switch. 7-inch multimedia audio system. Below that, you have your AC controls with digital display. This particular model has a 7-speed sport sequential shiftmatic transmission. You have the first and upper glove box. Down the bottom we have the second and lower glove box. In between the two glove boxes you get an additional shelf on this dash. You also get deep cup holders on the passenger and driver's side of the dash. On the centre console of the dash you get a 12V 120W socket along with a coin tray and a card slot. A big thank you to Ivan for letting us video the cars.